This is amazing. Spring is here. Some clouds in the background. It seems that it's going to rain in a while. Beautiful park area, people walking around. It's warm. Just love it. And today we shall be doing a constant flow video with the DJI LITO X1, the brand new budget-friendly, beginner-friendly drone. And I'm so excited about this one because it's so much more accessible to people, and it's great. It's great. Spoiler alert, it's really good. I like it. It's basically DJI Flip in a mini-like body with all of the bells and whistles. It has beautiful sensors. It will help some beginners to feel safer in air, and it's overall a great starting point. And also for people who already fly drones, who know how to fly drones, it's a great tool. What an exciting time to be alive and to start your drone journey, or just to continue your drone journey. All right, I see the gap. Let's approach it. Let's be very careful. The sensors are off because if they would be on, it wouldn't let me to go through here, because we have a lot of branches and ooh, that's close. And not yet, not yet. And that's what I call a successful gap. Amazing. Just amazing. We're using manual settings because that is the only way how you will get constant images. I'm using manual white balance, manual shutter speed, manual everything, manual flight, sensors off. Although if you're a beginner, I wouldn't recommend that. Definitely I would recommend using the sensors. But if you have the sensors on, it does interfere with the flight slightly because it adjusts your flight. Because, well, if it's trying to avoid stuff. For beginners, that's all right. But if you want to get like perfectly smooth, precise moves, then it's not ideal to leave them on. Look at this skating boy. Yeah. Now let's tilt up, go backwards. Let's reveal this park area. Beautiful, wonderful. ND32 polarized one. Gives us beautiful colors. D-Log M, 4K 50 frames per second, because, well, as I said, I didn't say anything about that though. So let's go through this gap right here and let's approach this Cherry Blossom 3 with smooth, beautiful, maintained flight here in this wonderful park. Let's go and do a beautiful orbit around the tree. If you're wondering how I'm doing this so smoothly, well, it's because I've been flying for more than 12 years and I just love what I do. And, well, practice makes perfect. That's the key. That's the only way how you can do this, by practicing a lot. And, well, if you fly every day for quite a while, then this is possible. In my first video about this drone, I was showing you what kind of settings I'm using. I do have them slightly adjusted, and that gives us this smooth flight. Gimbal speed is at 25. Oh no, gimbal speed is at 15 and smoothness is at 25. That gives us this. Now let's pick up the altitude and let's approach the wheel. The wonderful, wonderful wheel. It's over here. So, the weather today is just wonderful. I really enjoy this slightly overcast, yet sunny, beautiful weather. Also, a really important thing is grid plus diagonals. As you can see, maybe you cannot see, but on my screen right here, I have grid and diagonals enabled to have my composition perfectly composed, so I can have everything like currently this wheel is perfectly in the center, and if you want to have beautiful, beautiful shots, composition is one of the main key factors that will give you the wonderful, beautiful shots that people will enjoy to see. And I gotta say, I love flying. Flying is great. Now let's approach these cabins. Today there are no people here. It does not work because it's a celebration of Latvia's independence, and it's a day off, I think. No, wait, there are people here. Sorry, I was wrong. Sometimes I'm wrong as well. And back in the center, composing, tilting up the gimbal. And now let's move away from the wheel and let's check the beautiful old town of Riga in the background. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Now let's do something different. There are cherry blossoms right here. And let's go through the gap here. Let's approach these trees right here. Let's do a close proximity pass. Yes, beautiful. Flying close is also one of the things that gives us really impressive shots. Let's go here, let's go through. Let's go through right here. Yes, excellent. Full speed ahead. Nice, lovely. I think this is it. 8 minutes, smooth fluid, constant flow. That was great. By the way, first flight of today. I did not practice today. This was it. This was my first flight, and I think it went extremely well. Extremely well. Wow. That's great. That's great. Also, no stabilization used. No stabilization used. Just me flying the drone. Here's my spotter. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.